If you want your Google ads to show in front of your competitors' customers without spending a massive budget, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a custom audience of people that have already visited your competitors' websites. Then we'll use this audience inside Performance Max. It's going to prioritize high-value shoppers that are ready to buy. Let's jump in. All right, I'm here inside the Google Ads account for Pet Toyland. They're a store that sells premium dog toys, cat toys, and pet accessories. We're going to set up a custom audience of people who've already visited their competitors' websites. These are actual in-market pet toy shoppers who are ready to buy. Let's walk through it. On the left side here, click Tools and Settings. Then, under Shared Library, click Audience Manager. You might already have some audience in here from previous campaigns, totally fine, but we're going to create a new one. Click Custom Segments on the left. Then hit this blue plus button to create a new custom segment. First, give this audience a name. I'll call this one Competitor Shoppers Pet Toys. It keeps things organized, especially if you build more competitor audiences later. Now scroll down to Expand Segment by also including and open it. Then choose People who browse types of websites. That's the option we want. So let's say their top competitors are BarkBox, Chewy, and Westpaw. These are stores selling similar products to similar customers. That's who we want to target. So I'm going to type in here the first competitor, BarkBox.com. Then add Chewy.com and Westpaw.com. Perfect. Now we have 3 direct competitors added. You can add more if you want, but I'd stick to your top 3 to 5 direct competitors. And keep it relevant, guys. Don't add massive sites here like Amazon unless that's truly your competition. Focus on the niche brands your customers actually compare you to. All right, that's it. Click Save. Our custom audience is now created and it's ready to use in our campaigns. All right, so now we've got an audience of people who browse Pet Toyland's competitors' websites. Now we want to add it to our Performance Max campaign so you can see exactly how this works. I'm going to go to Campaigns on the left. Let's click into the PMax campaign and then go to Asset Groups. From here, we'll edit the audience signal. This is where we tell Google what kind of people we want to prioritize. Scroll down to Interests and Detailed Demographics. Click Browse, and in the drop-down, type the name of the custom segment we just created. Okay, there it is, and click Save. Perfect. Now, audience signals act more like hints than strict targets. Google may still go beyond them if it finds more likely converters. But we're telling Google, hey, people like this are valuable. Find more people who look like them and show my ads to competitors' shoppers whenever possible. So you might notice your ads are showing up more often when competitor shoppers are searching for products. Better conversion rates because you're reaching qualified buyers. More efficient spending because you're prioritizing high-intent audiences. Now, this isn't a magic bullet. You still need competitive products, good pricing, and a solid website experience. But if your offer is competitive, this is one of the best ways to find new and profitable traffic when you're scaling. All right, guys, that's it for this walkthrough here. But if you do want to learn more about Performance Max and how to scale it, we do have a full video and course on how to do this. And guys, if you don't want to do it yourself and you want my team and I to do it for you, we actually scale stores from 20K to over 100K per month. We do this with Google Ads with a full funnel approach and system. We'd love to talk with you about how we can do it for your store. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can book a time with my team and I. We'd love to meet with you and show you how we do this for your store. And guys, thanks for watching again. Appreciate the support you're giving us on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.